Hi, everybody. I am Cindy Lewis, and I'm here with Sandy Orlando, my partner in the Endurance Event Productions Race Series. We organize 4 running events around Southern Ontario, and the one coming up soon is the Georgina Marathon. It's our 5th anniversary. We're really excited about it. It's coming up on September 7th, 2025. And with us, we have Dr. Ali Kane, who has been present at almost all of our Georgina races since we started in 2021. And Dr. Ali is the owner of Anchor, which is a clinic and a gym up in Georgina. And Ali, do you want to just chat a little bit about what you guys do there?
Absolutely. We're excited to be back at this race coming up. I'm going to be running it, which I'm thrilled about. I'm 10 months postpartum, so it's been my goal since I had my baby. We try to do a little bit of everything. We call ourselves the home of health. So we have chiropractic, physio, massage therapy, acupuncture, psychotherapy, and we treat people from newborns all the way up to old age. And we have a practitioner here that really can treat almost any condition, any concern that somebody in our community might have. And we really pride ourselves on being a one-stop shop for our community. In addition to our clinic, we have a gym, and everybody that works out here at Anchor, we're really focused on their results. So we run group-based fitness, we run strength and conditioning classes, spin, and then we do lots of personal training and exercise rehab as well.
Awesome. So I have to ask, where does the name Anchor come from? What does it mean? How is it? Yeah.
So when we first opened Anchor, I had just moved to this community, and I thought, well, I'll live here for a little bit, but it's a small town. I think I'm going to move more south. But we fell in love with this area, and 6 months after we moved here, we decided to open a business. One of the reasons I fell in love with this area is because it's right on Lake Simcoe, which is a hidden gem and really contributes to this laid back, beautiful summer feeling of activity. So the word anchor is kind of homage to being part of this lakeside town, but it also pays tribute to the strength of an anchor or having an anchor in your day. And we want people to come in here, and they might come in injured, they might come in not feeling at their best. But our goal at Anchor is to take them from that injury, get them well, and then get them as fit as possible. And hopefully, just like brushing your teeth, people come here for the movement piece as part of an anchor of their day and their weekly, monthly, yearly routine.
Amazing.
That's fantastic. And you had mentioned community seems to be a really big thing. And I know that our races in Georgina have been successful because of the community. And you had mentioned earlier about, being glad that we brought our race there. Can you expand on that a little bit?
Well, so I grew up just south of Keswick, and Keswick has been this small little town in the north, like the northern tip of the GTA. And when I moved up here, I felt like I discovered this hidden gem. And I launched Anchor because I wanted to elevate the services in the community so that people didn't have to leave our bedroom community and go access services elsewhere. So when you guys brought the Georgina Marathon here, I thought how amazing to be able to share our beautiful Lake Drive, which where else do you find a lake or a road that's that close to the lake, that's flat and easily accessible with fairly good parking as well. And being somebody who just values activity, values being outside, I was so thrilled and wanted to throw my support behind you guys to make this as successful as it's been and keep being successful, because I love the idea of more and more people discovering our community and falling in love with it like I have.
And many people out there watching who have run either the Georgina Spring Fling or Georgina Marathon in the past, you probably saw Ali and her team out there, like at one of the water stations, for example, cheering like crazy or with a bunch of spinning bikes.
Yeah.
Just, one of our more entertaining and more exciting water stations. But this year we won't see you at a water station, but we will see you at the event. So there's a team from Anchor coming out to help you guys out at the end of the race with some post-race treatment. Maybe you can tell everybody a little bit about that.
Yes. So I have rounded up 3 practitioners. We have Dr. Justin, who's a chiropractor, George, who's a physiotherapist, and Riandra, who's an osteopath. And they'll be available on race site at the finish line for treatment for you. Pre and post will be there the entire time. So you can stop by our booth, sign up for a time slot, and then come in and we'll take care of anything that's popped up before, during, after the race to make you feel really, really good.
That's
great.
amazing that they'll be there pre as well. So if like, will you have like tape, for example?
So we're planning on bringing our thumper, we'll have kinesiology tape, and then we'll be doing hands-on treatment as well. Soft tissue therapy, some cupping, maybe some instrument assisted soft tissue therapy. So it'll be just a quick rundown, do a little health history, get your consent to treat, and then we'll do a focused treatment for you so that you can feel at your best.
Great.
Awesome.
So one of the things that athletes will be getting in their kits is a sample of KT tape, so you can help them understand how to use that.
That's perfect. That's good. Bring it with you.
And just one last thing, like as a runner, you know, to me, it's really important to find a place where people understand me, physically and mentally, and understand my sport. You guys do that. You are a runner. I assume that lots of other practitioners at your location are athletes of some kind. I know that you treat a lot of our Georgina runners already. Would you say that you're a place that a runner can walk in and feel comfortable and understood?
Absolutely. We speak the language. We understand sport. We understand activity. We understand the thing that you either want to get back to or want to optimize for. And it's why I have the gym attached to our clinic. Hands-on care is important, and all of the modalities that a therapist does is really important. But what's also important is that you're moving like you would move in the thing that you want to do. So a lot of our patients are also in the gym doing exercise rehab to make sure that we don't just take the pain away, but that we get you fit and healthy and ready to progress to the level that you want to get to.
Yeah, which is amazing because you go into many different offices, and the minute you say you've got an injury related to running, the first thing they say is, well, stop running.
Yeah, they do.
You know, while we fix things, often, as you know, like you can keep doing your sport, you're just going to do it differently. So it really makes a difference to have that person who understands you and your sport and athletics in general, looking after you.
And that's just it. And we've spoke at great lengths with our team about that. Telling somebody to stop doing the thing that they love is an absolute last resort for our patients. And if I'm being frank, it's kind of a lazy thing to tell somebody as a practitioner. We can be much more specific than that to allow somebody to keep moving in a way that's safe and allows them to get better if they are injured, while also getting them better through the things that we do here.
Mm-hmm. How do people find you?
We're at anchorhere.ca. We're on Instagram at anchor.georgina. That's where you'll find us. We're pretty present online. We like to stay engaged with our community and just share what we do here because we do so many different things.
Plus, at the Georgina Marathon in the
Sorry,
park.
yeah, find me at the finish line. Actually, you'll find me on the race course that day doing the 10K, but you'll find my team at the end at the finish line. So definitely stop by. We'll have a tent. There'll be a sign, like a flag that says Anchor. Stop by and my team will take care of you.
Amazing. We really appreciate it. It's a great service to offer at the end of a race, especially those longer distances where,
things pop up.
Yeah, it's very common for things to pop up. So we appreciate you and your team, and we look forward to seeing you guys out there on Sunday morning next weekend. It's crazy, a week and a half from now.
I know. I know. Just a couple training days left for me.
Yeah. And for those of you watching, I hope you heard that, a week and a half out. Hope your training's going well. Hope you're resting and recovering and having a great taper. And we look forward to seeing all of you at our start and finish line as well in Georgina on Sunday, September 7th, 2025. Happy training until then.